Namaskaram to everybody. I am Purnachandar, a musician. To say anything about Sri Himani Shankar Shastri is almost drawing a picture, a portrait of an elephant and writing the name below that. It is not necessary. It is superfluous. That is the personality of Sri Himani Shankar Shastri. I heard his Veena concerts from my childhood, and later on, when I shifted to Madras, I observed him, I met him few times. At that time he was working for Gemini, and he is a very popular Veena player, popular music director, film music director. He is the person who introduced Sri A.M. Raja and P.B. Srinivas to the film industry as playback singers. He likes music, whatever the discipline of the music, whether it is classical, light classical, composing, light composing, orchestra composing, whatever it is. And he always appreciated the talent wherever it is, and he gave due recognition for the talent. Whenever I talked to him, I observed that he is a person who should be called as Ajata Shatru. He doesn't have any enemies. Everybody likes him because he is so cordial, so affectionate, so lovable for everybody. And he recognizes the extraordinary talents of the other person also. Just for example, the entire musical fraternity knows my master, Dr. Balamurali Krishna, as a musician, as a singer, and as a versatile musician who plays so many instruments and who gave number of concerts in India, abroad, throughout the world. But one point everybody missed in appreciating Balamurali Krishna. That point, at that time, long ago, Sri Himani Shankar Shastri pointed out. That is, he once said, Balamurali Krishna is not only a musician, he is a great linguistic. He is a poet. Equally a great poet, he said. He is a Vaggayakaraka. Vaggayakaraka means a person who composes kritis in his own music, with his own raga, music raga and tala. He might not be performing, but he's a writer, that's all. But the standard of the poetry used in the kritis by Balamurali Krishna is something very extraordinary. This aspect nobody recognized because all musicians, music lovers, they enjoyed his music only, not his language power. But Sri Himani Shankar Shastri long ago said, he is a Pandit, Bhasha Pandit. He is a linguistic, he is a scholar in the language, and he composed his kritis in Sanskrit, Telugu, Tamil, and a combination of music and Sahityam. Sangeetam, Sahityam, both in one person is very rare. In such a way, he has commented. That's it. That shows his broad-mindedness. And in my life, in my lifetime of short experience, once I went to Delhi, I think in 1974, when I went to Delhi, I attended an interview in UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, for the post of program executive. And Sri Yamana Shankar Shastri was the chief producer of music in Delhi Directorate. I just went to see him to express my courtesy, my respects. And he just asked me what was the purpose of my visit. Then I said, I have come like this for the interview. Then he said, what? You want to become an officer, a gazetted officer? We are starting an orchestra unit in very shortly in Madras, and we have considered you one of the players in that orchestra unit. So now choose whether to live in Madras as an artist, permanently solving all your family problems, children education problem and other things, or become an officer and go on transfers for every 2 years, 3 years. Which profession you want to choose? You want to be an artist or you want to be an executive sitting on a desk? Then I said, I will definitely choose to be an artist, not an officer. And he appreciated me, blessed me, and he transferred me. And I was in the Vajja Vrunda, in the orchestra, for which he was the conductor. He was chief producer and also the conductor of Vajja Vrunda. And I had great opportunity to play his compositions and move very closely, very friendly with him, and a very affectionate person. I am very happy that his daughter, Srimati Kalyani, whom I know for the past 35 years, more than 40 years, she asked me to give me a spandana, my feelings about this great man's ensuing birthday. I am very happy that the family of Yamana Shankar Shastri also remembers me very affectionately, and I thank God to have given me a life on this earth to be along with a great person like Sri Yamana Shankar Shastri and my Guruji. And it is an opportunity, it is a great opportunity and a golden chance for me. And I thank Almighty for giving this opportunity, and I thank the family of Sri Yamana Shankar Shastri also for giving me the opportunity to talk about him. Namaskaram.